There was once a plant so valuable it was stamped on coins praised by poets traded like silver. Then it vanished. Silphium. The ancient city of Cyrene built its fortune on this one species. Spicy, medicinal, romantic. Some say its seed pod inspired the heart symbol. That's a great story, but what does the science say? First, the facts. Sources from Greece and Rome describe a wild fennel-like plant, likely in the Ferula genus, tapped for a resin they called laser. It flavored food, soothed coughs, rumored as a contraceptive. It grew in a very specific strip of land between sea and desert, in what's now Libya Narrow Range. Huge demand. You can guess what happened. Overharvesting, grazing politics, climate shifts by the 1st century CE. Writers complained it was rare. One legend says the last stalk was sent to Nero, and then silence. But is Silphium truly extinct? Botanists have suspects. A Turkish plant, Ferula drudiana, has similar chemistry, and look, a few North African species fit parts of the description too. Without ancient DNA, because we don't have confirmed Silphium tissue, we're stuck with detective work. Morphology, ecology, chemistry. What about the heart symbol? Coins from Cyrene do show a heart-like shape, possibly a seed or fruit. It's tempting to connect the dots, but we can't prove the modern heart came from Silphium, and symbols evolve in messy ways. So here's the twist. The myth still matters. It pushed scientists to hunt, to analyze resins, to map ancient climates, and to conserve fragile habitats before other Silphiums vanish. If a plant could bankroll a city-shaped cuisine and spark legends, what everyday species are we overlooking now? Maybe the next Silphium is growing at the edge of a pasture, waiting for someone to notice. I'm still looking. Want to help? Start by paying attention to what grows where you live. Curiosity is how rediscoveries begin.